Oh, hello, and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, if you remember the last time we met, I did the deoxit thing on all the connectors on all of these data sets. And now, assuming I don't drop them all over the place, I am going to take my 99% alcohol that I got from Dollarama. I'm going to be very careful to put it away from where I am so I do not spill it. Alcohol is very flammable in case something happens. It's not good. This stuff will burn. Burn, 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 burn. So I'm going to take this Q-tip, and it is tough to get at the heads on this in some ways because, of course, the lid is in the way. But I am going to give it a go in all of them. And yeah, it really is not the easiest thing to get in here. But I'm not going to snap the lid off to get in here. I don't really see any dirt. I can't really see in there at all. All right. I have done, oh my God. I have done one of them. I'll put it over here. I will take this. I will put it in. I will open the top of this one. I will press play to get the head to come out, which actually, I'm not sure if that's helpful or not. Well, I guess it is. Anyway, as I was saying, I see dirt coming off this one. I was kind of wishing that Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel had made me a checklist. This one seems to be going pretty well. I actually do see dirt, which I will show to you in a moment. I will. And certainly this is from, anyway, hang on here. I'll put this down and try not to drop it. I don't know if you can see that, but there is indeed. There is filth on there. So, I will close this. And I will try. There we go. Put that in the box. So here we have another. I will grab another swab. Also, more coming out than I need. Also, that I got from Dollarama. You can pay more. But why? Why do it? Alright. This one seems to be going pretty well. Mind you, if you do it a time or two. You know, maybe I'm getting better at it. I don't see a tremendous amount of filth coming off this one. But remember, there is all those microscopic filth that we cannot see. Okay, so I will put that in here. I don't know, there is a little bit of dirt on that one. I know you can't see it, I can barely see it. Alright, let's go for this one. By the way, I'm not going to make a career out of this. If it ends up that I have to take these to the world of Commodore as things just for parts, then that is what I will do. If I really can't get them to go. But this, I think, will give me the best chance. Now, I haven't decided yet, but I may move the 64 out of the way and go to the pet over there. See, the thing of it is having tapes that I can rely on. And I don't really have any 64 tapes around that I know that I can rely on. I just don't. So, what I may do is hook up to the inside of the pet where there's another cassette port and take some of the tapes that oh, there's some dirt. There's some dirt. Take some of the tapes that I know are good and try and load from them and see what's what. There are many variables, of course, involved in this. There could be speed, could be head alignment, and of course there's always, is the connector working? And of course on this one here, how good are these wire connections in here? How good are they? Obviously, this met with some horrible accident at some point. So we eject, we press play, find the dry end, soak it up good, and get it in here. Oh, and I think I am actually seeing some level of dirt on here. So, maybe I should have done all this first. But once again, I don't have a dataset checklist from Rudy. I do not. Alright, close that. Put it in the box. Eject. Oh yeah, this is the one that does not want to eject. Great. And the buttons are all very stiff. But if I take a knife to it, I can get in. Yeah, they're all very, very stiff. Okay, that Q-tip. Not Q-tip, sorry. Cotton swab. It's not a Q-tip. It's a cotton swab. Q-tip is an expensive brand name. A cotton swab is all we need. Alright. Let's see. So, onward we go. And I don't see much dirt coming off this one. That's okay. Maybe a little trace of it. Okay, put that down. Get the cord out of here. Oh, it's under the 64, of course. Of course it is. in the box. Now this one here is the one that I think has the best chance right now of actually working as it is. Because it did seem to. But we are doing this with everybody to see what's what. Alright, I don't see. Well, maybe it's changed color a little bit. I don't see tremendous trouble there. Because this is the one that I think has the best chance of working, I'm going to leave it over here. Oh, sorry. We are on the air. Now, as this is done for now, it's time to do the alcohol up tight. It is. So I guess now I'm going to let these sit a little while. The alcohol should not take long to come off. But now I will ponder my next move. And that may mean that I shift this stuff over here and move the pet over here and go looking for tapes that I trust. Perhaps. So, we'll see. If any of you have any great... oh, look. It's a chip puller. Maybe I will take it out of this. And that can go midway down the stairs for the recycling. Oh yeah, so if I squeeze on this, it pulls upward. Once again, I really think this was for the square chips. But I'm going to try and put it in here. Oh, look at that. The chip came out. It's a miracle. The SID chip actually came out with the chip puller. And now, with great care, oh, come on. It should just go right back in. It came out nice and straight. Oh, come on. Why is this causing me grief? Funny, I've got very bright light in here, but not necessarily where I necessarily need it. Alright, is this plugged in? Yes, it is. Okay. Let's see here. Oh. Everything is wrapped around everything. Cords, and cords. The pins look fine. Okay. We're back in. We are. So I will put this over in these overflowing bins. I shall. And then I will ponder. Come on, you can do better than that. I wonder if the batteries in this are getting low. There we go. We're on the air. Lovely. Okay. So I'm going to let these sit, and then I'm going to ponder my next move. So thanks for coming to the wonderful world of Commodore datasets, tape drives, etc. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.